sweetie girl?
I been a watch.
You got a watch?
Yes, new watch.
Oh, that's a nice watch. That's an Apple Watch. So we got caterpillars, mini butterflies. Folks, check it out. Check it out. What's going on for supper is some pork steaks. And those look wonderful. And guess who we got on the grill? The beautiful Liezel. She's so quiet today. She must be, there's something stressing her out. I don't know what it is. When Filipina gets quiet, it's because they got stress.
Look, he's eating.
Oh no. He's eating the trees. No wonder. They done ate all these leaves.
Look, there are many in there in the top.
My goodness. They're eating all the tree.
In the top, there are many in there.
There's one right there. Yeah, got them in action. Folks, let me zoom in on these dudes.
That's why I see many butterflies.
They're just eating all the leaves off this here tree, but they're not messing with the calamansi, right?
They just grow that. They finished that already, then they grow again. Now they're coming back.
Like my Apple Watch.
You got an Apple Watch?
Wow, Shishala.
Me, I an Apple Watch.
There's a kid. Before he's here. I do video that. I know he's there. They're eating cutie.
Sweetie, did you get your Apple Watch wet? Oh no. Maybe now it's broken. I'm just being honest. The only time this one ever gets quiet is when she has some type of stress. So I think Liezel has some stress or some drama. I don't know. She's smiling. Some type of stress going on. But anyhow, back to these pork steaks, my friends. Look at that. Liezel is great on the grill. Fatima, shout out to her because she started the charcoal. There was a misunderstanding. She thought I was out here grilling and I was still working in the new studio. So, hey, Forrest G. Forrest G just woke up from a little nap. Are you okay with the fact that I took up the bedroom for the new studio?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, good. And are you still angry because I took the big table? Big Karen going to town on the mango leaves that fell off the tree. Wow, Big Karen gonna love you, baby. But I don't know if Chocolate Mousse likes them mango leaves. If you know Liezel by now, I know how to make Liezel feel better. All you gotta do, get her a red horse. There's 4 back there. If I got 4 in her, she'll start dancing. But she's stressed out for some reason. I said, Liezel, just drink 1 red horse, baby, to take your mind off whatever you're thinking about. Get her a Dixie cup. Get a red horse and a Dixie cup. That's all she needs right there. Now, folks, that's happiness right there. That'll make anybody happy. Liezel, look at here. I got you a red horse and an aluminum Dixie cup. See, look, folks, she's already smiling. She's already happy. Already happy. Let me pour that for you. Let's pop a crop on that red horse. There we go. Look at that. Slow pour that thing. Look at that. Look at that. And now we're going to see a smile on her face. Now we got a happy Filipina.